So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the carb out, get the airbox back in, carb back in, sissy bar, rear indicators and the handlebars, kind of get all that laid out at least, and if it all kind of sits nice, tighten it up. Then what I'm going to do is get the light on and the gear changer. I think what we'll do is we'll get a wee bit of paint on the petrol cap and then see where we are, because I'm getting quite close. see, you've seen me buttoning up wee bits like painting the petrol cap, putting the airbox in, the carb in again, sorting out the handlebar wiring and putting on the back sissy bars and indicators, so just kind of finishing things, and that's basically what I'm going to be doing just now as well. The tank still needs a clear coat on it, at least one, but what I'm going to do is, I've passed my CBT now, so I'm basically just wanting to get it back together as quick as possible. So I'm just gonna, I know it's not perfect, but I can keep working on it, and that's the way I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna finish it, but it's not really gonna be finished, just keep working on it kind of thing. So what I'm gonna do just now is tidy up the wiring under the seat so I can get the seat on. I do need to put clear coat in the tank, but I'm just going to put it on just now so that I can see where I'm at. Tidy up the wiring is pretty much what I need to do, and then I'm going to see if it works. I'm waiting on an oil filter coming in to do an oil change, but other than that I need some help. I'm going to source some help to sort the clutch and the back brake. And there's a wee wiring issue coming from the kill switch, just a wee wire snapped, so I'm going to need to sort that as well. But after that it'll be ready to run. Just now the white fairings are really annoying me, so I'm going to have a look at getting some Plastidip and also some gaiters for the forks. I think will complete it. It's not a piece of artwork by any means, but it's my first bike, and I think I'm going to be looking to do a bigger project in the future, but it's taught me a lot, definitely, for now. Another thing that's annoying me is whoever did the paint job on before I had it powder coated and all that kind of thing, sprayed it, just rattle canned it white, and they've sprayed all the bolts and stuff like that, so I think I'll see how the Plastidip, if I can just stick that on the heads of the bolts, or even just some black paint on top of them just to tidy it up a wee bit, so it'll look alright from far away. So I've just tied up the wiring, got the tank on, got the seat on, put the chain on, tightened it up, and as I said before, I've got a couple of wee snags that are holding me back, like the clutch, the wee bit of wiring that needs to be fixed, and just need to do the back brake. Don't need that anyway. But once I've got all that stuff, just as I said, plastered up the plastics, and that would be me. Pretty much looking forward to it.